not again. Hey, my people, another one don't happen again. Oh, no be small something. Make una carry una jokote sit that come listen to this one. Only my ear no fit hear this one. Finish. I know say most of una know this prophet. Elena ego prophet, my people. He don't come out again. Oh, no be small something. He say he no condemn them again. No be small thing. No, say he carry power like America carry power. No be small something. As I cross this one, my people, I will talk to life. Make una come listen to wetin he talk. This one, my people, he lado and not be waiting. I go use my mouth then narrate finish. Make una regade.
Power, no be powder again. This is the ego prophet of the nation speaking to you live and direct. Any man or woman that has placed curse in your life, with the grace I carry, with the power I carry, I break that yoke, I declare you free. My name is Ego Prophet of the nation. I am too dangerous to be handled. I am the ego. I am the dead man. Of course, you know, for power, I carry power. It's not joke. It's not issue of pride. It is a grace that God gives to me. You know that I carry power. Now, pay attention and hear me clear. Wherever you watch me from, hear this prophecy. Number one, hear this. Hear me, hear me, hear me. Do you remember when I give a prophecy? What is going to happen for Biafrans? If you are watching me, tag all the Biafrans all over the world. Tag all the Biafrans. I am going to give a prophecy. How Biafra is going to be. What is going to happen. How it's going to happen. I am going to speak. Listen, but in one condition. There's a condition. Number one. But before I will tell you the condition, hear me. Wherever you are hearing me from or watching me from, if you want to reach me, or you want me to prophesy to your life, or you want me to use the power I have to break every altar in your family, or you want me to use the power I carry to liberate you in your life, or you want me to know whether I carry power, test and see now. Not I see, I saw. Not your name is no. For power, I carry power. Don't forget, this is the only number you can call. +2 34 70 85 93 22 57. I repeat, this is my WhatsApp prayer line. +2 34 70 85 93 22 57. When you call this number, Evangelist Promise will pick your call. When she pick your call, she's going to pray for you. She's going to counsel you well. But if you want to talk with a dead man, you want to speak with onye nwụrụ ka dị ndụ na-aga ije, ị chọrọ ka gị na ndị mmụọ kwuo okwu, ị chọrọ ka ị mara ihe ndị mmụọ ga-ekwu, ị chọrọ ịma the problem in your house, ị chọrọ ịma the solution, you want to hear from a dead man. She will tell you what to do. And once you do what she asks you to do, you will speak with a dead man. And don't forget, I don't have 2 numbers. I only have 1 WhatsApp prayer line. Now, tag all the Biafrans all over the world. I told you, if you don't have a prophet, you are gone. Your prophet is your prophet. Ego, you are fake. Ego, you are fake. Ego, you are fake. Ego, you are too proud. Ego, you are too proud. Are you God? Are you God? Are you God? Are you God? Have you seen it? Have Biafran people seen it? Why are you people calling me now? Why are you people sending tests? What is happening now? Ego, you are fake. Ego, you are fake. Ego, you are that. Ego, you are this. Listen, any man that, even Jesus said, before Abraham, I am. That means Jesus is proud, right? Because he carry power. Any man that carry power must be somehow, he must be living somehow. Because I carry power. That's why I'm misbehaving like this. I am not normal. I am not normal. I'm not a pastor and I can never be a pastor. I am not a reverend father and I can never be a reverend father. I am a prophet from my mother's womb. A prophet can never be a pastor and a pastor can never be a prophet. I am born to prophesy. Have you seen election today, yesterday? Have you seen the election? Go to my January prophecy. Have you seen my prophecy? Hey, I too much, yo. I am the ego. I'm too dangerous. I'm too dangerous. Ego is too dangerous. Ego is too dangerous. Iyeli lokuru neme. Ego is too dangerous. Hear me clear, hear me well. Oh, someone said that is paying money to talk to you, right? Oh, wonderful. Tell me how much you pay to talk to me. And if you're an Igbo person, you will tell me, this man deserves more than this. A young man that carry this kind of power, you're telling me pay money to talk to me. Me, Igbo prophet, can you be able to pay to talk to me? It's impossible. I am trying to let you know that money have been given to native doctor. That money have been given to that your prophet or pastor or reverend father. That is the money I have to collect from you. Yes. So that because when you come to me, I will give you solution. I will tell you what is happening. I will tell you how it will happen. And I will tell you the solution. Did you hear me now? Did you hear me clear? So that you know that I read your message. Thank you. Because you went to speak with a dead person. Can your reverend father or pope or bishop or that your native doctor give a prophecy, measure what will happen and how it will happen? Look at a young man like this. Look at a good prophet. Look at this young man. Power no be powder. I don't know where this kind of person follow come this world. At times, my wife will look at me. My wife will say, Papa will ask, he said, I'm sure really God have a place in heaven. And I asked my wife, why? He said, because you are in physical look, you look like a human being. But in spiritual, I'm not a human being. And I asked my wife, why did you say so? And she said, because I will stay with you now. I will tell you, this is what I'm hearing. And it will be like that. Even if you have 1 million pastors, 100 trillion reverend father, my word is my word. Look at this young man. Look at power no be powder. It will they carry shoulder. It will they pride. It will they para. Ogene nada. Ogene ga kwapo. Age buri emado. Godo. Brogodo. Ibrogodo. Go. Ogene nada. Ogene. Hey! Go and watch my January prophecy. Go to my page. Go. January prophecy. Ego again. Hey, again. If ego prophet allow you, do you know that if you went to go and see a comedian where they are doing comedy, you will pay money to enter the hall? But when you went to go and see a prophet, I'm not a pastor. I have a pastors. They will speak with you. They will pray for you. Even that church where you are going, have you ever speak with Pope? Can you be able to speak with Pope? Have you ever speak with the General Catholic Bishop? Why do you want to speak with me? You need a solution. I'm not a pastor. Simple. The solution you need, you have to follow this procedure. Simple. Do you know what it took me to hear the voice of God? I told you it's not free. I said it on the whole world to record it and get the video. I did not receive my anointing free. Do you hear me clear? I didn't receive it free. So that when you are talking about me, you won't be hearing it from someone else. You'll be hearing it from me. So ask me, how did I receive my anointing? I will tell you. So that when you ask me, I need someone to ask me, if it's not free, how did you receive it? Now, tell me a native doctor in this whole world, you are always proud. Make me forget my pen. Hey! Because I have a prophecy I want to release this today. It will shock the whole world. Look at how do you feel, a young man like this? Yet, Pope cannot say it. That pastor that have private jet cannot give the prophecy I give. That prophet that have private jet, he cannot say it because he can't hear from God. He can only see. There is a limit of where a man can see, but there is no limit to hear the voice. Jesus himself was like he's proud the way I am. I'm not proud.
My people, share on. I don't listen to ego prophet. No be small something, no, my people. Nobody condemn normal for this country again. He say if you want come see am, say you go pay money. Say that money where you they give lady doctor, you they give pastor, they give all those fake prophets when not they see road. He say for your own, if you want come see am, say you must pay money. Say he carry power, and he know the type of power when he carry, and he know power when God give am. People come they talk say he too they proud. He say yes, he they proud. Say because of his power when he carry, now he make am. I will say now then they in shoe, they go still they do like this when he take the art, my people. As I cross this one, I was choked on lies. He said the two say he they proud. Say no, he not they proud. Say now the power when he carry, now he they make up. He say people gonna imagine now, say why this prophet, that this small ego prophet just they do like this, they booga, they carry hand, they carry shoulder. He said that the power when he carry, whether it easy, say the kind vision when he they see, all these men of God when they fly private jet, say they can never see the type of vision when they see. My people, no be small something, no. I say wahala really there for Bodo Naija. He say carry power, oh. The power no be here where he carry, oh. The power when this prophet carry no be here. He say he not be man of God, he not be apostle, he not be anything. Say he a prophet. Say he dey carry, he dey collect money. No be small thing. He say he talk and hoha. No be small thing, oh my people. Wahala dey. Wahala really dey, my people. He say carry power, oh. No be small power. He say if you ogbanjo or you dey lack, oh, you want move forward, or say you get as your family bio, you want may you can't touch your family, may you alert am. Say he carry power. Hey, my people, no be small something. As I cross this video, my people, I was chocked on lies. I met like a dodomido. I don't know what I want to talk again. God, give me power now. Or they say now, ego prophet now. Don't they challenge many pastors now? Say he carry power. He they prophesy. He they see past them. Upon say that they fly private jet. They get private jet. Say he they see nonsense. He they see anyhow. He carry power like America carry power. Buto prophetic go. Biko. Oh, this your power. Carry on down. Carry on down. The power is too much. The power they shake everywhere. My people, now you now want for live on now. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye.